Today, we journey above the trees of southeast London to uncover the grand story of Beckenham Place Mansion, a stunning Georgian estate with roots reaching back over 250 years. Once a private estate of power and prestige, it's now a sanctuary for community and nature alike. Built in the 1770s by John Cator, a wealthy timber merchant and Member of Parliament, this mansion became the centrepiece of his sprawling estate. Cator was more than a businessman. He was a visionary. Through strategic land purchases, he transformed Beckenham from a quiet rural village into a desirable Georgian retreat. He invested heavily in landscaping, planting extensive woodlands and reshaping the terrain, partly inspired by the great capability brown. His influence on the area is still visible in street names, ancient trees, and the layout of the park itself. After John Cator's death in 1806, the estate passed through various hands. During World War I, the mansion served as a temporary hospital. Later, in 1927, it was purchased by the London County Council, becoming one of London's earliest public golf courses. The golf course thrived for decades, but by 2016, it was returned to natural parkland, allowing wildlife and history to take centre stage once more. Today, the estate spans over 230 acres, making it the largest green space in the London borough of Lewisham. Though the mansion itself fell into disrepair in the late 20th century, a community-led restoration has brought it back to life. Now, Beckenham Place Mansion is a vibrant cultural hub, hosting cafes, artists' studios, exhibitions, and yoga sessions. This blend of preservation and progress reflects the spirit of the place, rooted in history but open to the future. Beyond its grand facade and sweeping lawns, Beckenham Place hides a gentler charm: its gardens. While today's plantings are largely modern, they echo a much older design. In the late 18th century, John Cator landscaped these grounds in the popular English landscape garden style, inspired by the likes of Capability Brown. He valued natural beauty over rigid formality, encouraging rolling meadows, clusters of native trees, and winding paths rather than ornate, geometric layouts. Although much of the original planting has changed, nature thrives here still. Wildflowers bloom in open spaces, bees hum between blossoms, and woodland edges provide calm retreats for wildlife and for us. It's believed that Cator planted rare trees across the estate, some of which may still stand in the park today. Old oaks and veteran beeches whisper of a Georgian era when the garden was as much a symbol of taste as the mansion itself. Beckenham Place Mansion stands as a testament to resilience, reinvention, and the quiet beauty of London's historic green spaces. John Cator's dream was to create not just a home, but a legacy. And though centuries have passed, his vision endures. Beckenham Place is no longer a symbol of private privilege, but a shared green space where history whispers through the trees and the air is rich with stories.